This video will show you how to download and install AutoDesk Fusion with an education license. Open a browser and type in AutoDesk Fusion Student. Click on the AutoDesk Fusion for Students and Educators. Click Get AutoDesk Fusion. On the Fusion tab, click Select. Select Student and Continue. Enter your student email and confirm. Agree to the privacy statement and press Continue. Enter your name and select Student in the drop-down list. Enter your date of birth and click Continue. For UTA EE students, use 701 South Needham Drive, Arlington, Texas, 76019 for the address. Select University under Institution Type. Type University of Texas at Arlington under Name of Educational Institution. The school website is simply uta.edu. Enter your projected graduation date. Click the checkbox and select Continue. You may be asked to provide proof of your enrollment. Just do a screen grab of your MyMav unofficial transcript and send to them. Mostly, they will auto-verify your email address. Press Submit. They will send you an email to verify. Your email from Autodesk should look something like this. Click Get Products. You should get a confirmation like this. Click Get Autodesk Software. On this page, click the individual tab and Get Product on the Fusion tab. Click Access. The install software should download now. Open your Downloads folder and double-click to install. After it installs, open Fusion. You will need to sign in using your Autodesk account. Click Sign In. This opens a browser window. Enter your email and password to activate Fusion. Fusion should say Education or Student License at the top. Let's open a New Electronics project. Select File, New Electronics Design. Then select New Schematic. We are now ready to start importing parts to create a schematic.